Now let's talk about opinions. People often ask for our opinion, what we think. Yes, they ask what we think about something. Or we often start the phrases showing that it's your personal view, it's your personal opinion. And there is a set of phrases which I recommend you to learn here. First of all, the question which you could hear. What's your opinion? What do you think? Any ideas? Any thoughts? Yeah, you have this conversation and people want to hear what you think. Any thoughts? What do you think? But pay attention to the preposition. It's not what do you think about it, because about, it's about the process, about. But when we ask for opinions, we usually use think of. So what do you think of that? And don't forget, yeah, we connect the words together. What do you think of that? And you want to answer, you start with I think, I guess, I believe, I reckon. It's not a very typical word, but you could hear that. So what do you reckon actually means what do you think about it? I reckon, I believe, I'm sure, and so on. One recommendation for conversational style, please skip that. We remember the grammar and we put all the words in the sentence, yeah? I think that it is good. They usually don't use this that when they talk about opinions and when they talk informally. I think it's good. I guess we could do that. If you use this that, there are two risks. First of all, you are too long and it means you're not natural enough. The second one, people often mix them up with what. I think what. And this is already a grammar mistake, which is not good for your communication. I think it's good. I am sure he will come. I reckon is great. Something like that. In my opinion, from my point of view, to my mind. Distinguish between these three phrases because I hear a lot of mistakes. People say to my opinion or something like that. I will not even repeat that. I don't want to give you the wrong impression. So, in my opinion, from my point of view, to my mind, if you ask me, for example, yeah, why not? These are phrases, simple phrases, but we use them probably most of all because we often start these phrases with this subjective opinion of ours. Thank you very much for watching and let's continue in the next class.